Just out here shooting content, and this cat right here, he thinks he's made a brand new home. This guy. I don't know if it's a hawk or a eagle. But I almost hit him with my car. Oh, there he goes. He's got them. He's not happy. He's not happy I'm looking at him. But dude, this is my home. I ain't sharing it with no hawk or eagle. He ain't paying rent. He's not paying utilities. I don't think he's very happy with me being here. Get a little closer. See what he does. Fly away, come on. Fly away. Hey! 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 Yeah. Hey! Oh man, now he's hopping. Now he's hopping. Hey! I'll see if he's there when I come back.